Tiger. Chair. Come here. Come. Sit down. Sit. Shake hands. Good girl. That hand. This hand, Hope. Ah, good girl. Nothing. I hope. Bye. Okay, so my psychology teacher, she has come downstairs to give me something to eat. I don't know what she has made. I'll tell you the background story. It's not just random that she has come to give me that. I'll tell you the story. First, let me collect the parcel. Standing on the different side and she was standing on the other side. Hello, ma'am. Say hi to everyone. What did you get for me? Okay, fine. Okay, so it's context time. Yesterday, a friend of mine, a college friend of mine, had come over to my place to meet me after 4 months. And we decided on going somewhere out. And what we decided was we'll go and meet our teacher because she lives like 5 minutes away from my house. So we went over there and I called her. I told her, ma'am, come downstairs, we are waiting. I'll tell you what happened. We got trolled basically. I got trolled personally. I'll tell you in detail. Let me go up first. Hope, look what I have. Not for you. Yes, it's context time. So yeah, we reached over there and I gave her a call. I told her that, ma'am, we are waiting downstairs. We have come to meet you. Come down. The problem was we weren't getting good reception over there, and she said something, she replied something, and we couldn't hear it properly because the reception was bad. I missed half of the words. So I heard that what she said was, I am coming down. That's what I heard, and that's what my friend also heard. If this gets scanned,
block.
This is gonna be a very big fail if she doesn't answer because we don't know the password and we cannot just barge in. Hello, yes ma'am, where are you? Sleeping? Okay, so you're at home, right? What is your gate's password? What is your gate's password?
Go down?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So we were waiting downstairs. We waited over there. I was ready to vlog it out, and I was standing there with my camera. Someone opened the door and came out, the building door and came out. There's a gate over there. I started recording. I looked at her and I was about to say hi. Some old auntie came out from there. And that auntie is looking at me with suspicion like,
बेटा कौन चाहिए आपको, क्यों हो यहाँ पर, why, what are you doing here?
We've been standing for so long over there. And finally it was, I think, 1 hour, and what we both thought was, ma'am went off to sleep and we gave up. And we came back, we returned, I came home, my friend left from here. So apparently on the phone, the reply that she had given, she did not tell us कि I'm coming down. She said, I do not believe you. So all the time she was thinking we are joking, and we were thinking that she's coming downstairs, and we waited over there for an hour. I know. There was some random ass insect on my t-shirt. It's gone now. And then her defense was,
Ronnie, who takes you seriously?
wanted to fold up and stop. I didn't want to think anymore. I'm done. I've had enough.
So anyway, let's move on from that incident. I hope you guys take me seriously. Anyway, so yeah, she realized that it was not a joke, and it was after that there was this mutual guilt, and that is why today she came over here and she gave me these sweets. I think I will go and unwrap them. What are you doing? Come on. Time to unwrap it. So thanks a lot, ma'am, and everything is good, everything is forgotten, all chill. I am a forgiving person, so don't worry. And next time, take me seriously. Anyway, thank you for the sweets, ma'am. I'm gonna go and taste them now. And yes, that's it for today's vlog. We will see each other soon enough because I post really frequently. I have no other work right now in life, so keep enjoying my content. And Swedel, namaste. I did not say namaste in my previous video. It was actually hey guys, hello guys, but it sounded really dumb, so I cut that portion out and I did this. I mean, obviously with both hands, and it looked like a namaste. So this time, namaste.